tänavakorvpalli teine etapp täna Tartus, 100 võistkonda. Finaali 13. august Tallinnas Rahvusvahelisel väljakul, kui toimub finaal 550 eurole ja sinna pääses Joosep eelmisest etapist. Üks kaug ise tabab ja oled võitnud selle mängu. Sees, mäng läbi. Saku lohutusturniir. Ja see ise tõi kastjadud siis võistkonnale Puka kooli.
These niggas talking art of war, thinking they can start a war. If you ain't ready for death, then that's a part of war. I bring it down to the wire like Baltimore. Come to Chi-Town, shorties is living through a holocaust. Look through the peephole, this cannot be TiVo. Rewound and sped up, stop, it's real people. I pay for college, knowledge cannot be repo. Here's my story now, when I die it can't be retold. I got 2 kids by 2 different mothers. Got men without my blood that I would call brothers. Easy to fall in love, so I've been hurt about a dozen times. But it just made me get up and write another rhyme. See, I don't know if I'm idealist or realist. I just know me and Nas are the illest, so fearless. Odd couple, I'm Oscar, he Felix. The opposite, but we still mix, whether we be. So
ja sina olid koha, kus visata. Kui saad sisse, lähed mööda jääd välja. Sa võid valida ükskõik kus koha.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Now, absolutely, I've been blessed with opportunity. I'll shake the hand, show respect no matter who I meet with. No regrets, live my life and take a few to breathe. Then I keep it moving, all because I got a crew to feed. Like cigarettes and sex or expensive jewelry, I feel as if the music biz is simply only using me. With no idea what is real or what they do to me, I gotta keep improving, making music from the human beat. And truthfully, I want the one, not just the 2 or 3. And if it's up to me, then shoot the ruler I am soon to be. Cause losing I ain't choosing, it's just illusion me. Prove it that I'm proven when I do it to a T. So tell the blue and me, go spew into the sewer streets. Go and grab the rosary and priest speaks.
Give me the microphone before I bust in my pants. The mad author of anguish, my language polluted. Onyx is heavyweight. Still undisputed. You took the words right out my mouth. I walk a mile in my shoes. I pay so many dues. I feel used and abused and I'm so confused. Now, excuse me, for example, I'm the inspiration of a whole generation. And unless you got 10 sticky fingers, it's the imitation, a figment of your imagination. But wait, it gets worse.
Hey, party rockers in the house tonight. Woo! Everybody just have a good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Let's go. Party rockers in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time.
Järgmine nädal Rakveres, 4. juuni.
We just wanna see you
shake that.